You decided which pieces of your work go to AI. Now we make those pieces actually work. And it comes down to one skill almost everyone is bad at: precision, saying exactly what good looks like. This is the skill that separates the people who pull sharp, usable work out of AI from the people who get generic mushback and decide the tool is overrated. And step one is blunt, and it is simple. Strip out the emotional words. So here's what you'll walk away able to do. By the end of this, you'll be able to look at any instruction you'd give an AI, catch the words that are secretly carrying none of your meaning, and swap each one for a concrete instruction the AI can actually follow. You'll have a test you can run on any prompt in about 3 seconds to know if it's too vague before you ever hit enter. And you'll see why doing this, sitting down and writing the precise version, is the actual work, not a shortcut around it. It's a small skill. It changes everything downstream. Let me show you the problem first, because you've almost certainly done this. You open the AI and you type something like, make it pop, be creative, make it professional, make it good, and then you're let down when what comes back is flat and generic. But look at what you actually said. Make it pop is not an instruction. It's a feeling. It tells the AI how you want to feel about the result. It does not tell the AI what to do, and the AI cannot read your mind. So it does the only thing it can with a feeling. It fills the gap with its own generic default, the most average, middle-of-the-road version of pop it's got, which is exactly the thing you didn't want. There's a cleaner way to say the whole move, and it's become the way I think about this. Define what good looks like. That's the job. Strip the emotional words and say, in plain, concrete terms, what should actually happen. Not make the email compelling. Compelling is a feeling. Instead, 3 short sentences. Lead with the benefit to them, not to us. 1 clear call to action at the end. No exclamation points. Now the AI isn't guessing at your mood. It's following a set of instructions. And that is the entire difference between mush and the thing you actually pictured. One is a feeling, the other is a definition. Let me run a real one all the way through, because this is the move, and I want you to see every step of it. Say you want the AI to summarize a meeting. The fuzzy version, the version almost everyone types, is write me a good summary of this meeting. 4 words that matter, and good is doing all of the work, which means nothing is actually defined. Good, how? Good for whom? Good. How long? You know what you mean by good. The AI has no idea, so watch me strip it and specify it. Summarize this meeting in 5 bullet points. Each bullet is either 1 decision we made or 1 action item. For every action item, name the person who owns it. Skip the small talk and the scheduling back and forth. Same task. But now, there is nothing left for the AI to invent. Every single word tells it what to do, instead of how I'm hoping to feel. That's what defining good looks like on an ordinary task. You went from a feeling to a specification, and the output goes from a coin flip to something you can rely on. Now here's a tool I want to hand you, because it makes this fast. The emotional word itself is a flag, a little alarm. The moment you catch yourself typing good, or creative, or clean, or professional, or compelling, stop. That word is a signal that you haven't actually defined the thing yet. You've just named your hope for it. So treat every one of those words as a flashing light that says, define me. You typed clean. Okay, clean meaning what? Short lines? No jargon? Lots of white space? Whatever the answer is, that answer is the real instruction. The feeling word was just a placeholder where the real instruction was supposed to go. So why is this so hard? Why does everybody, including smart people, keep handing the AI feelings instead of instructions? It's the same blind spot we hit earlier in the course when you tried to watch yourself do the work. You cannot see how vague you're being because you know what you mean. When you type make it pop, there is a vivid, specific picture in your head. You can see the result you want. So the words feel specific to you. They're attached to that whole picture. but the words that actually left your keyboard carry almost none of it. The AI doesn't get the picture in your head. It only ever gets the words. And the gap between the rich thing you meant and the thin words you sent is exactly where generic output comes from. So here is the test, and I want you to actually use this one. It's the fastest way to catch yourself. Would a complete stranger, handed only your instruction and nothing else, produce the thing you actually want? Say, make it pop to a stranger, and you'd get 50 wildly different results, and none of them would be yours, because you gave them a feeling and they filled it with their own. Now say 3 sentences, lead with the benefit, no exclamation points, to that same stranger. You'd get back roughly the same thing every time, no matter who you asked. That consistency is the whole goal. If a stranger couldn't reliably produce what you want from your words alone, your instruction is too vague, full stop. And here's why this matters so much. The AI is exactly that stranger, every single time. It has none of your context, none of your taste, none of the picture in your head, unless you put it into the words. Now, I have to be straight with you about something, because this is where people want there to be a shortcut, and there isn't one. Writing the precise version is work. It is genuinely more effort than typing. Make it good and hoping. You have to stop and actually think, what would have to be true for me to call this good? You have to pull the picture out of your head and turn it into words, one concrete instruction at a time. That thinking, that translating, is the real work of using AI well. The AI will do the producing. Fast, tirelessly, as many times as you want. But the defining is yours. Nobody can hand the AI your standards, but you. And here's the trade that makes it worth every second. You spend 2 minutes writing a real specification once, and you stop spending 20 minutes fixing generic output every single time after. The precision isn't the tax you pay to use AI. The precision is the skill. It's the entire thing this module is teaching you to do. So let me put the whole move in one frame, because it's simple once you see it. You are translating. You're taking how you feel about the result. Pop, clean, professional, good. And you're translating it into what should actually happen. Feeling on one side, instruction on the other. Your job every time is to get everything off the feeling side and onto the instruction side until there's nothing left for the AI to guess at. So here's your move, and you can do it in the next 5 minutes on something real. Take one task you'd actually hand to an AI and write out how you'd instruct it. Fast, naturally, exactly the way you normally would, feelings and all. Then go back through what you wrote and circle every emotional or vague word. Good, creative, professional, compelling, clean, nice. For each one you circled, ask yourself the question that does all the work. What would actually have to be true for me to call it that? And then replace the feeling with that answer. When you're done, run the stranger test on it. Could someone with none of your context produce what you want from these words alone? Keep going until the answer is yes. And in the very next lesson, we take that precision and give it a structure. So you're not just hunting feeling words one at a time. You've got a frame that pins down absolutely any task. 3 questions. What goes in, what has to come out, and how you'll know it's right. That frame is where this gets genuinely repeatable. I'll see you there.